Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Jo, and today I have a new to me styling service, Fashom. Just to let you know, I did vet them. They are a small business, woman owned. They have a cruelty-free kind of mission, so all of their items are vegan, and for every box that they style, they send $8 donation to the Second Chance Animal Rescue in New York. So I thought that was a great mission. I'm all for supporting small women-owned businesses, so I was like, of course. So first off, they are not a subscription service, they're a styling service, which means anytime you want a box, you can order it. Their styling fee for each box is $20, except for your first box. Your first box is always the styling fee. That $20 fee is waived. So for your first box, you can try it risk-free, and then for your second and any subsequent boxes, it will be a $20 styling fee, which of course will then go towards any item that you decide to purchase. And also I will have a referral link, so if you want to sign up through my link, you'll get $10 towards your first box as well. I think they're pretty affordable. So when you sign up and you order your first box, they send you a preview of 7 items and they say from that choose the 5. And what's great about it is they also give you the pricing, and I could see immediately this is a very affordable box. Every item, I don't think anything's above $60 an item, and they also have a pretty how should I say it, generous discount. So if you keep all 5, you get 30% off, and if you keep 3 or more items, you get 25% off each of the items. So I thought that was great. It's always nice to find affordable options to share with you. So let's see what I got in my first Fashom. As always, there's the paperwork and the return mailer. Just want to show you their nice tissue paper. So here we go, here's the bundle. I said to them, send some fall things, and I kind of described my style as elevated tomboy, because that's sort of all I'm doing right now. First up, we have this, I want to say it's like a rust, it's like the perfect fall color, a rust top. It's like a t-shirt material, it's just long sleeves, with a little very thin stripe. I'm trying to think, is this cream or white? It looks cream because of the rust. This to me is like a very nice layering piece. This will look great under cardigans. So I'm going to be putting my try on one side or the other just as we talk about it, and then at the end I will do a roundup. So this is definitely something I can see myself wearing. It's thin but nice, and it is by the brand Mito Shop. Ramoni striped knit top for $43, and that's before any of the discounts. Next up I have a teal. Ooh, look, it's basically the color I'm wearing. So they got the colors right, and this looks like another nice layering, almost tunic length. Ooh, this will be perfect with leggings. It's interesting. I thought it was a scoop neck, but it's actually it's like a very open V. So that will be like a nice layering piece also for fall under cardigans. And this is the Ray Mode V-neck basic top for $39. Also a nice thin knit. All right, next up we have, what is this? It's like it feels knobbly but soft. It's a hoodie by the brand White Birch, and it's just a very basic but slouchy hoodie. It's got some cuff on the arm and a split at the bottom, and then just a hoodie. This totally looks like a nice loungy piece. Again, this is by White Birch. This is the Audrey knit hoodie for $43. So as you can see, the prices are pretty affordable. Then we have a pair of leggings. I was really glad when I saw them add in some leggings. I could always do with more. These are kind of a thin, I don't want to say it. It's not a t-shirt, but like a jersey knit. This is by the brand, is it Numix? No, Panamex amber solid leggings. They're plus size, $28. Super affordable. All right, and then last up, I remember seeing this. This is a cardigan with a zigzag. I thought this was kind of fun. See, it's kind of got like these different color zigzags all over it. I feel like I want to make a whole lot of jokes about Zoom and zigzagging Zoom calls. But anyway, it's sort of oversized with a drop shoulder. It's navy with mustard, white, gray, and that teal again. Great layering piece. I can see this and the leggings and that teal top being a really awesome sort of wear to work kind of outfit while I'm working from home. So I'll try those together. You've probably seen them already, but let's see. This is the Paper Moon Sadie Zigzag Cardigan for $49. Okay, I'm back, having tried on everything. So let me give you the lowdown of what I think. If you're looking for like an easy runaround legging and maybe you're not as curvy as me, because it was more about my curves than it was about my size, then this is a great find. $28 for a pair of leggings is great, but I'm gonna pass on them. Next up, the cardigan from Paper Moon. I'm on the fence about. Like, I feel like it could be funky, it could be kind of fugly. It could go either way. So I'm still on the fence about this. The two things I definitely do love and want to keep are the two layering tops. So that's the teal one and the sort of dark rust color stripy one. I feel like both of these are some nice basics to layer under cardigans with leggings or jeans. So they're a really nice basic. I'm happy to get them. And then the last item is this hoodie. I'm going to pass on that. I do like the look of it and the vibe. I think it's a really nice loungy. For now, it looks like I'll definitely get the two knit layering tops, possibly the cardigan. Still on the fence about that. I might try it with a few jeans and just see how it looks. As I said, I will have a link for you, the referral link, in the comments down below. And yeah, I'm really happy that I got to try out Fashom. You know, thank you to them if they're watching for sending me a box to try out. You know, happy to spread the word. I think for my subscribers who are really looking for a styling box that is affordable, that has some nice basics in it, this is a good one. I also know that they do really great with prints. I am not a print person, so I said no prints, but I've seen my YouTube friends who love, you know, like florals and plaids, and that gets some really great pieces. So if that's you, try out Fashom and let me know how it turns out for you. All right, take good care everyone, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.